All right. So today we're going to be covering percentages. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to calculate a percentage. So let's suppose in an example, I am asked to find 50% of 400. We're going to be using calculators. Whenever you have a percentage, take the number and write it over 100. If you see the word off or something apart of, or any other word related to where you have a percentage of a number, change it into multiply, and then after that, put 400 next to that. All of this gets put on a calculator, and you then press equals. So 50 over 100, you can simplify it into a half, or you can use it as is, 50 over 100 as a fraction times 400, and that comes to 200. Okay? All right, now you try it. You try this one here. Let's suppose I ask you to find 50% of 196. Go ahead, try this question. Okay. Press pause. When you're done, press play. All right, let's go through it now. So 50% of 196, okay, is basically saying 50 over 100 and then changing off into multiply and then writing 196 afterwards. You can even put this in a bracket in a calculator, or you can put that in a bracket in a calculator, or you can put both in a bracket in a calculator just to make sure that they don't get mixed up. Or if they do, make sure they typed correctly. So multiplying by 196 gets you 98 on a calculator. All right, let's go to the next one. Let's suppose I want to find 30% of 496. Exactly the same principle applies here. So I got 30 over 100 times 496. And let's round our answer to three significant figures. So that's what we're given now. Okay? So 30 over 100 multiplied by 496 comes to, this comes into a fraction 744 over 5. But I need to round it to three significant figures. So if I round it to three significant figures, it'll come to 149. All right, that's rounded to three significant figures. So 148.8, I could write that first. 148.8, rounded to three significant figures, 149. All right, you try it now. And let's see if you can get the rounding as well correct. So I want you to find 30% of 196. Round it to three significant figures. Okay. Press pause. When you're done, press play. All right, let's go through this one now. 30%, remember, is going to be 30 over 100. All right, so 30% is going to be 30 over 100 now. Multiply by 196. Putting that on a calculator will get you 30 over 100 multiplied by 196 comes to 294 over 5. Comes to 294 over 5, which is the same as 58.8 rounded to three significant figures over there.